In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ExpressVPN comprehensive plan. This setup combines the core ExpressVPN app with Identity Defender, giving you both encrypted internet traffic and added privacy monitoring in one package. We'll go from initial setup to a final security check so you can make sure everything is running properly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the ExpressVPN sign-in page. Log into your account, then complete the verification step if prompted. Once you reach your dashboard, look for the section labeled Set up your devices. In that area, you'll see your activation code. Copy that code because you'll need it in the desktop app in just a moment. Next, download the ExpressVPN app directly from your dashboard. Make sure you choose the version that matches your operating system, whether that's Windows or Mac OS. Open the installer and complete the installation. After that, launch the ExpressVPN app. On the first screen, choose Sign In with activation code, then paste in the code you copied earlier and continue. This connects the app on your device to your account quickly and securely. Once you're signed in, it's a good idea to switch the VPN protocol to Lightway for the best speed and efficiency. In the app, open the menu in the top left corner, then go to Options on Windows or Preferences on Mac. Open the Protocol tab and select Lightway UDP. If you're on Windows, also enable the Lightway Turbo or multi-lane tunneling option if it appears, then save your changes. This helps optimize performance for streaming, gaming, and general browsing. Now return to the main app screen and choose a VPN server location. Click the location selector, browse through the recommended list or all locations, and select the country or city you want to connect to. Once selected, the app will connect and show a green